Go ahead and crank it. Do it again. Okay, that's an example of a bad terminal connection. My customer poured some Coke on it. That's what you see kind of boiling off there, but it gave us a telltale sign. We're just arcing in here, and the heat is boiling that Coke off. All right, we're gonna take it out and clean it up and see if that'll fix it. Yeah, this terminal connector was just toast. We're gonna put a new one on. That should solve our problem because we have 12.28 volts.
Record.
All right, we're just gonna put a new terminal on here. I like to tap them down with a hammer and a socket and make sure they seat all the way. It's a tapered connector, so I want that to seat down as far as it can. Flush is good. All right, we got that tapped down. Let's tighten down the connector here. All right, tighten up that negative. All right, hit it. See if it starts. Hey, man.